shoot. That's messed up, okay? Anyway, mess up. I gotta put it back. Hey, I'm from Halo. I hate it. Oh, look, guys keep killing us. Jeez. Because I don't like them, and oh, God. Oh, you got me. You got me. You got me. You got me. You suck. Oh, man, that's kind of hard. Shoot, I think I broke my train. Broke the train. Think. I gotta get out of here. It's kind of hard to get out. Okay, I'm back. Anyone back there, okay? Yeah, we're okay. Shoot! I hate this train. Dang it! I need help! Someone call for help? I'll help you. There we go. I got out. I need help over here. I can't hear you that well. Hey, thanks for helping me. I'm Thomas the Train. Well, I'm not actually. I'm his friend. Why are you his friend? I don't know. Hey, dude, what's up? Hey, little Thomas, what you doing? I'm just carrying around some stuff, carrying hay and all that. Hey, can you carry that car right there? Sure, I'll carry it. I got it. And the end of Stop It, Stop. Oh, I'm sorry. Accidentally. Don't. When you see that part, don't look. Beep. I didn't call you a bad word.